Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, and at the end of the video, if it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Guys, liking and subscribing to my channel encourages me to keep creating content, and it also makes me feel like I'm doing something right, so please do not hesitate to like and to subscribe. And to my existing subscribers, you guys already know how much I love and appreciate you for helping me build this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to refill your board, frontal or closure. So here I'm basically just showing you guys how broad this frontal is. So these are the strands I'm going to be using to refill this frontal. I've already prepped them. If you don't know how to prep your hair before ventilation or refilling, please do well to check my last video on how to ventilate closure. I did a detailed explanation on how to prep your hair before ventilation. So I'm just going to get the hair out of the way before refilling, as well as position the dome head in a position that will help me ventilate easily. Guys, the position you stand or sit or stay while ventilating determines if you're going to ventilate easily or if you're going to be having difficulty ventilating. So do well to stay in a position that is best for you. So guys, I'm going to be using the double split knotting for this ventilation, and I'm going to be following the pattern in which this frontal came in, the pattern in which the frontal was ventilated from the beginning. So guys, before refilling closure of frontal for your client, do well to check the pattern in which it was created from the beginning and follow suit. What I mean by pattern is when I ventilate one line, skip the next one, then ventilate the third one. But with this frontal, I noticed that two line spacing was done. That is, they ventilated one line, skip two lines, ventilated the next one. So I'm just going to follow suit with how it came. I'm going to be skipping two lines too. I'm not going to do my usual ventilating pattern of skipping just one line. And I'm also ventilating horizontally because, like I said, I'm just going to follow suit on how this frontal was created, and it was an horizontal ventilation, not vertical. So I'm just going to continue in that line. I would like to also mention that I am not ventilating all the holes. What I mean is I ventilate one hole, skip the next one, and then ventilate the third one. And I'm just going to keep quiet now and allow you guys to watch what I'm doing. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial. As you can see, the frontal looks very full and the knot looks natural as well. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comment section below, subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.